Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are baking a classic, sugar cookies. Let's get started. First, prepare a sieve. Let's start with 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Sift the flour into a bowl. If you have any granules, use a spoon to push it into the sieve and sieve it. Once you are done, set it aside for later. Next up, get 125 grams of cold butter that is in cubes. Add 170 grams of sugar. Next, cream the butter and sugar together. If you have a KitchenAid, use the pedal attachment. If you don't have one, use a hand mixer or a fork or a spoon. For using a fork or spoon, just do the same motion as mixing an egg. Keep creaming the mixture until it is light and fluffy. Don't forget to occasionally scrape down the sides. Once you cream your mixture, add an egg in. If you're doing a larger recipe, add the eggs one at a time, mix it and add again. Add 25 milliliters of milk. Add a drop of vanilla paste and mix it again. Once you have a liquid mixture, add the sifted flour from earlier. You will get a slightly solid dough if you mix it well. Now prepare some cling wrap on the workspace. Now transfer the dough onto the cling wrap. We are going to chill the dough for 30 minutes. Now take your dough out after 30 minutes. Use a flap or jack to help you press down the dough to a nice even shape. Once you're done, leave in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Personally, I prefer overnight. It is easier to work with during cutting due to less hydration in the dough. To check if your dough is ready, lightly push the dough with your finger. If you see a fingerprint, then it is ready to use. Now let's flour the workspace. Get a rolling pin and now roll until it is 3 mm or 1/8 inch thick. Use a cookie cutter of your choice and start cutting. Once you have scraps, collect them. And form them into the dough again and cut or put them in the freezer for 30 minutes. Cut and repeat the same process until your dough is used up. Now let's look at the dough when you are slow during cutting. So here on the bottom it's within 5 minutes out from the fridge, 10 in the middle and 15 on the top. You can see the shapes are not straight if the dough is exposed longer to room temperature. If you are too slow in cutting, don't worry about it. Just collect the scraps and put them in the freezer for 30 minutes and take them and cut it again. Now bake for 190 Celsius for 12 minutes and transfer to a cooling rack to cool.